Okay, this was the last bass I got. It was bought for me by my wife and mother-in-law, God bless her soul, as a birthday present. And I did say to him, look, I'm going to do things to it, yeah? Don't be offended when I do this. What did I do? I start EMGs, and I love EMGs. Like I said, I get a lot of noise where I am in the ambient. Had an internet poll, people said mint green, which I trust them that is the colour to go. I had white on there, I think it looks beautiful. Then I got one of these cheaper Chinese fretless necks, and what I did, you can see the pocketing there. Rather than change the pocket to fit the neck, I changed the neck to fit the pocket. It was a little bit of a risk, but it's pretty damn straight. And it's a nice fretless neck. I got the original fretted neck when I want to change it over. It's got a sort of Fender look to it, and that's not what I'm after, by the way, but it doesn't look out of place on the bass. And it's a lovely lightweight guitar for 4-string fretless. I put the labella nylons, I love those, and slight nick there when I was doing something, but other than that, it was an easy install, beautiful, good fun bass.